7 surprising soda facts. 1. Original medicinal purposes. When soda was first introduced in the late 18th century, it was marketed as a medicinal beverage. 2. Coca-Cola's original ingredients. The original Coca-Cola recipe included cocaine. When the beverage was first created in the late 19th century, it contained trace amounts of cocaine derived from coca leaves. The formula was later changed, and the cocaine removed, but the name remained. 3. Soda consumption and health risks. Excessive soda consumption has been linked to various health risks, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and tooth decay. The high sugar content in many sodas can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of developing these health conditions. 4. Mountain Dew and its original purpose. Mountain Dew, a popular citrus-flavored soda, was originally created as a mixer for whiskey. It was first marketed in the 1940s as a drink to be mixed with hard liquor, but over time, it gained popularity as a standalone beverage. 5. Soda's effect on bone health. Consuming large amounts of soda has been associated with decreased bone mineral density and an increased risk of osteoporosis. The phosphoric acid found in many sodas can interfere with calcium absorption, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 6. Soda consumption and caffeine. Most sodas contain caffeine, which is a stimulant. Excessive caffeine consumption can lead to various side effects, including increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and insomnia. It's important to monitor your caffeine intake, especially if you consume soda regularly. 7. Soda's environmental impact. The production and consumption of soda have significant environmental consequences. The plastic bottles used for packaging contribute to plastic waste, and the manufacturing process requires large amounts of water and energy. Additionally, the disposal of soda cans and bottles contributes to pollution and landfill waste. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to soda consumption, and it's always a good idea to prioritize healthier beverage options like water, herbal tea, or natural fruit juices.